So one of the features here at FAF's grand opening is a dyno, right? And we're gonna find out more about it. We're gonna talk to the people who own this. And Joel's a great guy. He's been busy all day testing bikes. And let's take a look. Hi Joel, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you doing?
Great tonight.
So explain to me what a dyno is and how it works.
What the dyno does is it's a diagnostics tool that actually allows us to measure horsepower, torque, and air-fuel ratios, so we can find if there's anything wrong with motorcycle. And then it gives the customer like basically a base tune, so that, or a base file, so if he wants to do anything modifications like exhaust, intakes, or big motor builds, or anything along that line, he can actually start with the base file. And then he keeps on coming back on the new builds he does, where he keeps on coming back and coming back. We can actually tune the motorcycle and actually adapt to all the new modifications on the
doing this?
For 3 years.
3 years? And where are you from?
Windsor, Ontario.
Windsor. So you had a fair trek to get up here for this show.
Well, it's all worth it.
Yeah. So what kind of shows do you go to?
Anything mobile that I can actually run, anything that allows with noise, grand openings, special events, anything along the, anything to do with motorcycles, even bike nights. I got a guy that asked me about a bike to go to a bike night where they get 300 to 400 bikes for the night. So
wow.
I was like, well, you know what? It's worth the drive. You get to meet new people, you get to enjoy it, and you get to give everybody that opportunity.
What would be an average fee for getting their bike tested here?
Usually for 3 runs with the air-fuel ratio, it's usually about $95.
95, eh?
Yeah.
Very good. And a guy, so what would be the #1 question a bike owner, he's come in, he's got his bike tested, what's the #1 question that they're really interested in about their bike?
If it's running right.
Okay.
That's the biggest thing. A lot of guys want to know the horsepower, want to know the torque, they want to know everything. But the biggest question is it running right? Because that's what they rely on. They want the bike to run right. They want the bike to last, not to be damaged down the road, where this can diagnostics find that wrong. Wrong with the bike, it will show it because the roller picks up any minute little issues.
Right.
So when we see it on the graph, we can go from there and then we can diagnose the problem. Fuel issues, which is the most common. When guys do a new exhaust, they don't know what their fuel ratio is. It could be super lean.
Right.
And that next, that guy's asking like, the bike's not run right, and that's the best response to that.
really good opportunity just to check your bike out to see if it's running properly,
Exactly.
and to maybe identify some issues or areas that need to be worked on.
Exactly.
Perfect. Now, this is your trailer?
Yes, this is my trailer.
And did you build this trailer?
I bought the trailer already built. It was assembled. It was from Nova Scotia.
Okay.
And then me and my girlfriend bought it. We got it set up, and then we brought it now to this level where now we're able to go to the events for grand openings and other bike nights.
Right. Great. So where's your next destination after this?
I think there is supposedly, I think in Barrie, there's another one in Barrie, and also winter weekend in August for Grand Bend.
Wow. So keeping you busy this summer, right?
Right.
Well, Joel, thanks very much for taking some time to chat with us. It's been a real pleasure, and I wish you all the best, all right?
Thank you very
Continued
much.
success.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thanks very
Take
much.
care. Thanks, Dave.